Most people think they know AI tools, but they're missing the real ones. What if some tools feel too powerful to be free? What if they quietly replace entire jobs right now? What if you could use them before everyone else catches on? This isn't another generic AI list. These are tools insiders don't openly talk about. Each one can create leverage fast. Each one solves real business problems. And yes, they are completely free. Some even feel like unfair advantages. Stay until the end, because one tool changes how you work forever. Let's start with something that looks simple but isn't. It writes, but not like typical AI. It thinks in systems. And that changes everything. Meet the first tool. Perplexity AI looks like a search engine. But it behaves like a research assistant. It doesn't just answer questions. It builds structured answers with sources. That means faster decision-making. Imagine researching a market in minutes. Instead of opening 10 tabs, you get one clear breakdown. Use it to validate business ideas quickly. Use it to find gaps competitors miss. Use it to build smarter offers. This is not about information. It's about speed and clarity. Now think about scale. What if you could turn ideas into content instantly? That's where the second tool comes in. Leonardo AI creates high-quality visuals. Not just images, but brand-level assets. You can design ad creatives without a designer. You can test multiple styles fast. You can create product mock-ups instantly. This cuts creative costs dramatically. Businesses spend thousands on visuals. Now you can do it in minutes. That shifts your entire workflow. Next, let's talk about automation. Most people still do repetitive tasks manually. That's where they lose time. The third tool fixes that. Bardeen automates workflows inside your browser. No coding required. You can scrape data from websites instantly. You can move data between apps automatically. You can build mini-systems in minutes. Think about lead generation. You can collect prospects without manual effort. You can organize them automatically. You can trigger actions based on behavior. This is how small teams scale. Now let's go deeper. What if you could build apps without developers? That's not theory anymore. The fourth tool makes it real. Replit AI helps you build software using plain language. You describe what you want. It writes and runs the code. You can build internal tools fast. You can test SaaS ideas cheaply. You can launch faster than competitors. This removes a major barrier. Now speed becomes your advantage. Before we continue, quick note. If you want more tools like this, subscribe and enable notifications. That way you don't miss future breakdowns. Now let's talk about content production. Video is dominating everything. But editing takes time. That's where the fifth tool comes in. Runway ML edits and generates video using AI. You can remove backgrounds instantly. You can generate scenes from text. You can edit clips without complex software. This changes content creation economics. You don't need a full production team. You can create high-quality videos alone. Now think about storytelling. Attention is currency. The sixth tool helps you capture it. 11 Labs creates ultra-realistic voiceovers. Not robotic voices. Natural, human-like speech. You can clone voices for branding. You can narrate content at scale. You can localize content for different audiences. This unlocks global reach. Now combine this with video. You have a full content machine. But we're not done yet. The final tool is different. It focuses on thinking, not output. And that's where most people struggle. Notion AI organizes ideas into systems. It turns chaos into clarity. You can manage projects intelligently. You can summarize complex information. You can build knowledge bases. This increases execution speed. And execution is everything. Now step back and connect this. Research with Perplexity AI. Design with Leonardo AI. Automate with Bardeen. Build with Replit AI. Create videos using Runway ML. Add voice using 11 Labs. Organize everything with Notion AI. That's an entire business stack. And it's mostly free. That's why it feels illegal. Because access is no longer the barrier. Execution is. Most people still won't act. They'll watch and move on. But a few will build. Those few will win. Because they move faster. They test more ideas. They iterate quickly. That's the real advantage. Not the tool itself, but how you use it. Let's get practical. Pick one tool today. Apply it to a real problem. Don't overthink it. Start small. Then expand. Stack tools together. That's where exponential growth happens. Now think about the next 12 months. AI won't slow down. It will accelerate. More tools will appear. More opportunities will open. But also more competition. So timing matters. Early adopters gain leverage. Late adopters fight for scraps. Where do you want to be? That decision starts now. You don't need permission. You don't need a big team. You need speed and focus. That's it. And these tools give you both. If you made it this far, you're already ahead. Most people never get here. Use that advantage. And build something real. Because the gap is widening. Between users and builders. Between watchers and operators. Choose your side carefully. Next video, we go deeper. We break down how to turn these tools into income systems. Make sure you're subscribed. Turn on notifications. And stay ahead of what's coming next.